Chia seeds for weight loss. How much should you consume? You can have 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. Make sure you do not overshoot this recommendation just to lose weight quickly, as it can turn out to be harmful in higher doses. Also, talk to your doctor/dietitian before consuming chia. Early morning. 6 a.m. 2 teaspoons fenugreek seeds soaked in 1 cup of water overnight. Breakfast. 6:45 to 7:15 a.m. Oatmeal with chia seeds plus 1 banana plus 4 almonds plus 1 cup green tea. Mid-morning. 10 to 10:30 a.m. 1 boiled egg/1 cup freshly pressed juice. Lunch. 12:30 to 1 p.m. Tuna/tofu salad with light dressing plus 1 cup buttermilk. Dinner. 6:30 to 7 p.m. Grilled fish/chicken/mushroom plus veggies plus 1 tablespoon chia seeds plus half a cup warm milk before going to bed. Chia seeds for weight loss. 10 best recipes. Một chia seeds samoti. Ingredients. 1 banana. 1 cup blueberries.
2 tablespoon chia seed.
1 tablespoon Greek yogurt. 1 cup full-fat/soy milk. How to prepare. Peel and toss the banana into a blender. Add the blueberries, Greek yogurt, full-fat/soy milk, and chia seeds. Blitz it, pour it into a glass, and drink. Rest of the recipe will be in my next upcoming videos. Please like and subscribe my channel.